And you gotta live like the child that's inside you. That thumbnail did not lie. For a couple days, I had grandkids over, and we just went nuts with all of the Nerf gun things that throughout the years I've collected from the kids leaving it here. It's like, come to the Abba's house and let's blow up things. And we line up stuff and we make shooting gallery. Or something I did yesterday, which was kind of funny, is I took two of my ukuleles and faced it out. And whoever can get it in between the strings into the hole, that's the super winner. Of course, it took me about 15 minutes to shake out all. How dare you treat an instrument like that? But the reason why I wanted to do this video is because we hear this all the time, the child inside of us. You don't have to wait to become older like me, since I'm in my mid-60s, that you have to activate that child. I think even if you're in your 20s and in your 30s, if you activate that child, you also activate another level of awareness. Because I think the world was such an awesome experience when you're young because you're learning. It's before you started getting shut down on ideas and dreams and stuff, So when you think young and you're able to pull that through you and live it, you're always winning. You're winning. Now, in my case, I will say one thing. I did wake up this morning with kind of this stressed kind of muscle, and I did kind of slip once in the kitchen and bang my knee and stuff, So I kind of feel that stuff a little more than I probably would have at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years old with the kids, same age. The other thing is, the other reason why I bring this up is recently I've encountered a lot of older folks that are very energetic, and they talk, they'll go with the energy that they have and everything and say, but I look in the mirror and I don't recognize myself. And I kind of understand that. And I think when anybody says, that's in their, let's say 70s and 80s, and that's fairly active. They hike, they go to the beach, they swim, and they feel good. They wish they could have felt a little better, like, kind of pining for the younger body model, if you would. But they don't recognize who they see. And I think that is an absolute example of that younger person still living inside. That younger person is the one that doesn't recognize who they are in front of a mirror, because when you get older and stuff, could be the Fortnite ghost. You start to, you realize you look what you look like. You don't want to accept it. This is what it is. But that younger individual inside, that younger child inside, is the one that's saying, ready to go, but who are you? What's all this? And of course, getting older, our body does change. We do have certain breakdowns, and that's just what it is. But it doesn't stop that inner child from saying, let's go. So that's what I wanted this video to be. It's been a while since I popped anything up on this channel, and I just wanted to kind of, send it on let that inner child live. Seriously, let it live. And I take risks. You don't want to know what I do with this Vegemite and peanut butter. Anyhow, like I said, let the inner child live, because that's just what you do. Have a killer day. All right.